Hey guys, out in the shop again tonight. We're got the carb all together, and we did get it actually fired off on Monday, but I was having trouble getting the float levels correct. You know how you adjust them through these two nuts here, and it raises the needle valve up and down. It might not be right. I was still really high on the floats when I was trying to run it, and I just had gas just weeping down the carbs. Cranked them way down and then started working my way back, and I think I got it now. Again, I'm no expert on any of this stuff, and it's been a long time since I had a Holly apart, but I think we'll try to just do a quick fire here and see what happens. Again, like I said, not the official fire up. I actually missed that. Thought I hit record, but I didn't. So I'm gonna turn this around and see what we can do here. Got our switch panel here. Turn ignition on. Turn the fuel on. Give it a little squirt. So that's promising. Kind of promising. Definitely got some carburetor issues here. I don't know. Any carburetor experts out there, give me a message on that, would you? It's like it fires, but it just doesn't want to stay running. I don't think it's a timing, or it wouldn't fire. Try it again. No. I don't know, guys. Kind of stumped. Why it fires, but it doesn't idle. Or can't keep it idling, I should say. And I got the vacuum ports all plugged. These guys here are just coolant. Man, I wish I just had a decent carb I could just put on there that I knew was good. Sounds healthy. I mean, it sounds like it wants to run. But I don't know. Any help is much appreciated. Like I said, we got gas. You can see it squirting. Just fires, but just doesn't want to stay running, and there's like no mid-range, so I imagine there's still something not right with this carburetor, but like I said, I'm no expert. One thing it did, a little bit of good news is, look what came in the mail. Oh yeah. So, really got to get this thing running, because I don't want to be messing with all this and like backfiring through the blower and all that. That's just, that's not good. So, any help from anyone out there that knows carburetors, please let me know. 'Cause I'm a bit stumped right now. Alright, thanks. So I think we've determined it's the carburetor. Starts with the choke. But there's got to be something plugged in the mid-range.